The word talent is derived from words meaning measured weights, balance, lift, support, and money. Eventually, the term took on a more figurative meaning, as in an innate valuable gift, which is why today we generally use the word talent to refer to a natural aptitude or skill. Everyone has a talent, a gift they are uniquely positioned to share with the world, and when we don't honor these talents, we rob ourselves of truly coming alive and rob the world of benefiting from our most valued contributions. And yet, when you do lean into your talents, you become empowered and encouraged to step into the fullness of who you are, sharing your gifts abundantly with the world in this unique time and place. The question becomes, what are your talents, and how are you sharing them with those around you?